Hi, this is Mickey, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to buy a domain, set up the hosting for the domain, and get an email as well, all to get you started so that you then just start putting a theme or you start putting data onto your website. So I'm going to show you how you actually get a website and how easy it actually is. Now to do this, I'm using two services that I use, GoDaddy for the domains and HostGator for the hosting. So I'm actually thinking about starting a site which shows you how to deal in shares. That does an experiment in dealing in shares, and it's called Money Growth Experiment.com. So we'll just see if that's available. Okay, it's available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click add. So what I want to do is just add Money Growth Experiment. So continue the registration. I'm just taking the .com. Ideally you want to get a .com. So I don't want this. I don't want this extra domains. No thanks. But what I do want is basic email. So what this will do, it will do the domain. It'll tell me some details about the domain. And I mean, it's taken time to load up. I have other domains with GoDaddy, so I already have a username and a customer account and a password, which you can create your own account, or you can do it in the process of buying your domain. So this has taken some time. Okay, so the domain registration, it just asks for your how long you want it for. So I chose 2 years, and that it's an uncertified domain. You can buy security certificates for your domain, which you can use for other applications, and you can also use with Facebook, but that's like a side. So basically all I want is the standard registration and just a 2-year domain. So now it's asking for emails, and all I want is simply the 5 emails. Now I already have excess emails from other domains, but I'm just doing this as a standalone account. We don't want hosting, and we don't want to do the SSL certificate. Okay, so this is done in, it's just in dollars here. So we have 2 years recurring, so it'll rebill, and it adds on the, let's see what we have here. We have the 1 year for the emails. Yeah, so it'll register. So just for the sake of it, we're doing one mail, the domain for 2 years, which is only like $14, and the email. Okay, and we'll just, this is in dollars now, so we'll just continue to check out. Okay, I've gone through the final payment, and it just says my order is now complete.